Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great and welcome back to the channel. So for last 2 or 3 trading session, I am expecting the market to come down, but for one or other reason, it doesn't. It is reluctant and it doesn't want to come on the downside, right? So I am expecting, even in yesterday's video, I told it is very hard for the market to cross 21,000. I am talking about Nifty, and I still stand by that. I don't expect the market to go above 21,000. Now you may think I am arrogant, or you may think I am super bearish, but I am not super bearish. But I think that market has run to a very good extent, and we might see some consolidation. It is very good if the market consolidates and go on the higher side. You cannot expect the market to keep on moving in one direction, right? So that is why I am expecting some consolidation, which is going to be a healthy consolidation, so that the market will retrace and it will go on the higher side, right? So if you see the charts, let me go to the charts. And before that, going to the charts, let us see the us futures are all in the green. All in the green as of now. And I think us markets are kind of reluctant to come down. Let me change the screen. This is the us market, and you can see that us markets are kind of in the green. Not in the green, it is flat, and I'm sure we have to wait for the US market to close. And today there was a very important event, which was RBI policy, and RBI came out and told they are not going to increase the interest rate. That alone created a volatility in the market, and you can observe that, you can see that there is no momentum at all on the higher side. So this is the Nifty chart, and you can see 3 days of undecisiveness, right? Whatever term you can call it, maybe a dodgy pattern, 3 days of dodgy pattern. And look at the volatility from today morning. Nifty opened a gap up at around 20,900. It tried to breach around 21k. Then all the way from 21,000, it came to around 20,869, a fall of 150 points. Then it retraced and closed around 20,976. So this is why I am saying see, if you are seeing 3 days of indecisiveness, then the likelihood of market coming down is very high. Don't think I am bearish. I am saying it again, I am not bearish guy. I don't have a bearish perspective. What we are expecting is some kind of correction. If we are correcting towards 20,500 levels, then if we hit 21k, that is going to be a healthy correction and healthy thing for the Nifty. And in terms of Banknifty, you can see Banknifty is also having lots of indecisiveness. Yesterday we saw a low of around how much, 46,500, and today we are seeing a high of around 47,300, a movement of around how many points? 800 points, right? So this is how the markets are. I told in yesterday's video also that 46,500 is going to be a very 46,500 is going to be a very good support, and that is exactly what is happening. If Bank Nifty for one or other reason comes again and touches 46,500, I wouldn't be surprised. So I am expecting some downward movement. We have also written some huge number of calls in our system, so that we can gain from this downward movement. Now if you can ask, what will happen if the market goes? If the market goes on the higher side, we will see what we can do. But I firmly believe that the market will come down. We really don't know when it is going to come down. There is no momentum on the higher side, and that is what I can say. And in terms of our trading system, our trading today is Sensex expiry. We did Sensex expiry and we made a profit of around 34,234. So with this being done, we are almost around 5% till now. This is the 6th trading session, and we are till now we have made around 5%. So going forward we will see what is going to happen, right? So this RBI event is history now. It is gone, and it didn't give much of an impact. They have shown increased GDP numbers, lower inflation numbers. In spite of all these numbers, market were not able to go on the higher side. Now you tell me, if Mr. Shaktikanta Das, RBI governor, came out and he is saying that they have increased the GDP projection from 6.5 to around 7 point plus levels, and they have reduced the inflation. In spite, this is all positive news. In spite of all this positive news, markets were not able to go on the higher side. Then what is going to make the market go on the higher side? That is the simple logic I am believing. That's why I am saying the market may come down. I'm not saying market will come down, but it is going to, we need a consolidation for the market. If we have a consolidation, then after which, if the market moves on the higher side, it is going to be a healthy thing for us to do, right? And apart from that, let us see what is happening in terms of FIA data. FIAs are net buyers today. They have bought for around 3,632 crores, and DAIs have sold for around 432 crores, right? So tomorrow is holiday, 2 days of holiday. We will see how things work out, but for now we firmly believe that market will come down, and we are having some short positions in the market. No matter, even if it is touching, even if it is crossing, let's say Nifty is, hypothetically speaking, Nifty is crossing about 21,000. It has to, sustaining 21,000 is going to be very hard. So even if our MTM screen, or even if our positions are showing some red, or it is in the loss, we will try to hold that position and wait for the markets to come on the downside. So this is our perspective about the market. I can go wrong, and I have been gone wrong many times, right? So if we are going wrong, we will see how we can manage, or what we can do in terms of adjustment, or let us see how things work out, right? As of now, I have a very clear stance that I am shorting the market. It's up to you whether you want to go long in the market, or whether you want to short this market. It is purely your expectation, or your perspective about the market. With that being said, I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. We'll see what happens on Monday, whether we are gapping up, whether I'm going to make losses, or whether I'm going to make profit. Is a whole different ball game. So let's see what happens. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.